Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a final year computer science or IT student, you know that the exit exam is We've curated multiple choice questions covering the four major pillars of the exam: networking, programming, and office assistance, and then we'll break down the correct answer. Let's start with networking. This section usually tests your knowledge of the OSI model and protocols. And the answer is B, network layer. The correct answer is C, ARP. Don't confuse this with DNS, which maps domain name files. Moving on to databases. Expect questions on normalization and SQL commands. The answer is B, second normal form 2NF. Tricky one, the answer is D, truncate.
Select, insert, and update are DML. They manipulate data.
Now for the core of CS, programming and data structures. We'll look at C++ and complexity. The answer is B, polymorphism. Poly means many, morph means forms. This allows a subclass to define its own. Let's look at the operating system. This usually focuses on process management and memory. The answer is C, blocked or waiting. When a CPU is executing a process and that process needs to read a file or wait for a key press, the CPU doesn't sit idle. Answer: C, 128 bits. Answer: A, Class A. Class A uses only the first octet for the network, leaving 24 bits for hosts. Answer, using TCP, handles process-to-process communication with port numbers. Answer, C, 443. 443 is the secure web standard. The answer is A. Question 20. In an ER relationship. Answer C. Diamond.
Question 21. Which of the following is a DCL, Data Control Language, command?
Question 21. Which of the following? The correct answer is B. Grant.
Which SQL function is an aggregate function?
Which SQL function is an aggregate function? The answer is D. Count. Aggregate functions perform a
A virtual table based on the result set of an SQL statement is known as a
What is the worst case time complexity of bubble sort? The answer is C. O of n squared.